11:25, pull up to the club real high. Put on my pants to the sky, that's our life. All the fine women inside. If you ain't here to rock, then stay outside. Damn, that's right. Fuck it, let's start a riot. Don't be shy, put them threes up high. For what I do without you, it's nirvana. DJ in pajamas, flying to Bahamas, and next up Fukuyama. Dollars Americana, more bottles, more drama. That diamond marijuana could smoke it like a sauna. Put 'em up. Put 'em up. Hands to the sky, put 'em up. Put 'em up. Hands to the sky, put 'em up.
What up, what up? Welcome to Sick Mix Part X. This is by far my favorite Sick Mix to date. Lots of bangers in this one. Let's get it, Sick Society.
Hanging out the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at
Some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them 20 by the light, for every some of them trying to
Just step though, I'm hyping right though.
Bump the G, bump it up, bump it up, bump the G, bump it up a little more. Bump the G, bump it up, bump the G, bump it up while your feet are stumping. Bump the G, bump it, bump the G, bump it, bump the G, bump it up a little more. Bump the G, bump it, bump the G, bump it, bump the G.
I feel so close to you right now, it's a force field. I wear my heart up on my sleeve like a big deal. Your love pours down on me, surround me like a waterfall. There's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. I feel so close to you right now. I feel so stopping us right now. There's no stopping us right now. I feel so close to you right now. Now, 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 now. I feel so close to you right now.